Hey YouTube, Dave here. Come to you on this cloudy, muggy Texas day. But got a new car a few weeks ago. Haven't had time to make a video. Weather's been bad, been pretty busy, but this is the new ride. It's a 2013 Camaro SSRS Dusk Edition, which with the automatic is only one of 307 made. And I know people might make fun of that because all the Corvette guys and everybody thinks they got a one-of-one car and all that, but you know, these are actually pretty cool. You know, it's from the factory, it's all documented. There's 307 automatics made, you know, so it's a pretty cool car. And the Dusk Edition comes with these wheels. You get the brembo brakes, and this is the only car you can get this Mojave interior in. There's no other Camaro that has this, only on the Dusk Edition. I think there's total automatic and manuals, there's like 1,100 or 1,200 of these made, but pretty cool. And if you'll notice, there's yellow stitching. It's not just black stitching, only on this car. You won't get yellow stitching in any other Camaro from the factory. You also get special edition floor mats with the Dusk Edition. You know, overall, it's mainly a appearance package. Come around back, you get the silver accents around the tail light bezels, and on the front, if you saw, you also get the silver around the fog lights, so it looks pretty good. I already did the liberty of blacking out all the emblems on the front and the side, and of course the rear. And I think that's how the Dusk Edition should have came from the factory, all blacked out, because it's dusk, right? You know, it only makes sense. But it had the standard chrome emblems everywhere. And I've only had it a few weeks, but I've already put on an SLP axle back exhaust. It's still pretty quiet, not really to my taste, so I might throw an X pipe on and should make it sound pretty healthy. I'll show you the engine. Nothing really different from the standard Camaro under the hood. When I bought it, it already had this cold air intake. Probably needs a new filter by now, but it's really clean. This car only had 28,000 miles on it when I bought it, so 11 years, 28,000 miles. This car is basically brand new, as you can tell from the belts and hoses and everything. It's really clean under here, besides the fact that I've been driving it in the rain a few days, so it's a little dirty, as you can tell, but it still shines in the sunlight, well, cloudy sunlight. But the cool thing, this is Blu-ray metallic is the color. And then if I had some better sunlight and if the car was clean, you'd be able to see the color better. It's a really cool color. It pops really good in the sun. I actually think there's some purple tints to it, you know, kind of aiming at that dusk part of the name, but looks really, really good. I was never really a fan of these Camaro factory wheels, but they look really good with this package and everything, so not too bad. And stick around for my next video. I'll make an exhaust video with the SLP, and I'll make some other videos of some other mods that I'm planning to do. You know, you never know what I might find. Maybe a ZL1 front end, or just the grill, or what have you. Never know, but I plan on doing a few things to this car, even though it is a special edition, only 300 made. I don't want to destroy it too much, but got to make it my own. And the other thing is, I'm not sure if this is a Dusk Edition thing, but it's got the ghost stripes, kind of like gold pinstriping. Looks really, really cool with the Mojave interior. I think it fits perfect, but so far this car is a blast to drive. Love it. Not as fast as my ZL1, if you remember. I had that in the past, if you've been on the channel before, but still a lot of fun. A lot cheaper on insurance than the ZL1, and a little better gas mileage. So, you know, we all make sacrifices. But thanks for watching. This is my new car. Stay tuned for more videos. Hope you like it.